Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to bypass JBL AMP on Toyota cars. Firstly, before working on any electrical system, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid short circuits. Remove the passenger kick panel and identify the JBL amplifier wiring harness, which contains the speaker wires. Use a wiring diagram or multimeter to determine the correct wires for each speaker, and if you are using an LOC to convert speaker level signals to RCA, cut and strip the front and rear speakers wires, connect the wires to the LOC following the manufacturer's instructions, and run RCA cables from the LOC to the amplifier. If your AMP accepts high-level inputs, you can directly connect the speaker wires to the AMP without LOC. Choose a secure mounting location under the front passenger seat and secure the amp using bolts, Velcro, or zip ties to prevent movement. Finally, run power and ground wires. Use the existing speaker wires in the passenger kick panel to send the audio signals from the AMP to the speakers, and use the factory JBL speaker wires by tapping into them, then run new speaker wires directly from the AMP to the speakers for better sound quality. Now all you have to do is to reconnect the battery, adjust, and then test everything. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.